guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this science kit, like we do experiments with it, and here's a really cool experiment. First we open valve 2, then we start trying to do this. But it turned green. Then we close valve 2, open up valve 3, and look what happens to this thing whenever I push it down. It starts to change colors. Then we close that valve, we open this valve, and we do the same thing as valve that we did to valve 2. Whoa, this might be a little hard. Yeah. My dad's helping. So now we open up this valve, do this, and look what happens. Ta-da! And if you wanted to have more pressure, just open this up. Again, then push down on it for more pressure. Bye!